Hi everyone, this is Mom Harsha on her favorite show, Mom Harsha Live at 5. Thank you so much, dear audience, for being so consistent and being present on my show every single day. It really means a lot. Yesterday, I could not be live. I got a couple of messages on my mobile. I got a couple of phones. That why I was not seen yesterday. Actually, I had a webinar which the time was clashing, so I could not, be present here. But yes, my topic was ready. So I decided कि okay, चलो ठीक है. I will roll that topic. So today the topic is parenting A to say Z series, and the letter that we are going to talk about is letter L. Now a lot of messages I got yesterday also that letter L would be love and what not. Zyadatar it was love only, but I have scrutinized it and I have put it as letter L, listen. Now before we proceed, let's do the revision as I do in my class. So it's fatafat ka revision. So letter A, acceptance. Letter B, believe in your child. Letter C, communication. D, decision. E, encouragement. F, firmness. G, good touch, bad touch. H, hygienic, healthy food. I, independence. J, jovial. K, kisses, hugs, and today we are with letter L, that is listen. Listening quality, not only with parenting, but with any relationship, is very, very important because everyone wants to feel heard. सबको important लगता है कि आप जो बोल रहे हो वो सामने वाला सुने. So when we come down to children, it becomes all the more important when it comes to the listening skills. And here, when I talk about listening skills, my whole talk show will revolve around how we can improve our listening skills. I'm not trying to here, give you a practice wherein you can improve your children's listening skills. Because what I strongly believe is that children are the role models and children will do what we do. So, मेरे जितने भी talks हैं will always, focus on you or me try to make that change, not expecting the children to make that change. I think कि वो छोड़ देंगे तो ही थोड़ा सा frustration है वो कम हो जाएगा. Because all the time I get queries and questions, मैम ये करना है तो बच्चों में कैसे ये चीज़ का परिवर्तन लाया जाए और ये बच्चों को कैसे सिखाया जाए, ये बच्चों को कैसे किया जाए. So I'm not into that because I have two children and I can guarantee कि ये होते होते ही होगा. So the only change that I can guarantee is the step that I take to change. So what I have done is, I have tried to inculcate all these qualities in whatever proportion I can in myself because I feel that, okay, at least I am practicing it. Tomorrow I can expect my children to practice. So letter L, listen. A very, very important skill, a very, very important characteristic, a very, very important thing in a person's conversation, in a person's relationship, no matter with whom, with your husband, with your children, with anyone. So there are a few things if we want to become a good listener. So here we will jot down a few points wherein Harsha, if she wants to become a good listener, what she can do. Same will go for all of you. So face-to-face contact is very, very important because I know listening sometimes is boring, some person comes to us and tells us, for example, our children or our husband or our friend, and sometimes, sometimes the majority of the times it is a difficult task to listen. बैठ के सुनना. So we don't pay attention to that person. कोई भी, if our child, husband, friend, anyone is coming and sharing something, that person finds us to be very important. So that person is opening herself or himself in front of us. So it becomes very important to take out time, give a face-to-face contact, eye-to-eye contact when you are listening as if you are into the entire situation. Now here there are two things. If the thing is okay, चलो ठीक है, हंसने वाली बात है, चलो okay, forget it. You don't pay attention, that's perfectly all right. But when there is a situation that demands your attention, number one thing is to make an eye contact. When you feel that the opposite person who has come to you is asking for some kind of a help in the sense listening is the biggest help that we can give. So it may be a child, a friend, a husband, irrespective of the opposite person. Now, when you are listening, the second thing is be attentive but relaxed. सुनो, सब कुछ सुनो ध्यान से, but be relaxed. Don't get carried away by the emotions that the person or the child is giving you. Be consistent, be attentive, give facial contact and eye contact to the child. Then keep open mind. This is very important quality because जब बच्चे भी हमारे पास बात करने के लिए आते हैं या हस्बैंड या फ्रेंड कोई भी, तो हम लोग तुरंत ही वी स्टार्ट जजमेंटिंग, यू नो, that we start drawing a picture in our mind. Okay, now this person is going to tell that. Now okay, now his line is this. Now this. We start judgmenting. We start speculating the things. So I think we need to keep open mind. जो भी let that person went out. Let that person speak out. Let that person burst out. So जो बोल रहे हैं सुनो पूरा दिमाग और दिल लगा के eye contact करके. Listen to the words and gauge the importance or the essence of what the person is trying to speak. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि आदमी जब प्रॉब्लम में होता है तभी चाहता है कि कोई उसे सुने. तो जब वो आपसे बात करने की कोशिश कर रहा है तो हो सकता है कि देयर विल बी बिटवीन द लाइन्स the person is not clear to express or the person is hesitating. That person can be a child, husband, friend, whatever. So I'm mentioning this because this quality is not only necessary for parenting but for any relationship. So I'm stressing on these 3 parameters. So it's very important to understand, to quietly listen, be relaxed, give an eye contact. Then the biggest quality, the next step that we can, you know, inculcate in us is do not interrupt when the person is talking. When the person wants you to listen something, do not interrupt. Because what happens, you know, कभी हम किसी से कुछ बात करने जाते हैं जो बहुत सेंटिमेंटल हो, बहुत इमोशनल हो, तो वी आर, यू नो, कलेक्टिंग वर्ड्स, और उसमें अगर आप इंटरप्ट करोगे वी मिस आउट ऑन व्हाट टू टॉक, यू नो. सो व्हेन अ पर्सन इज कमिंग टू टॉक, प्लीज डू नॉट इंटरप्ट. शांति से बैठ के सुनिए कि वो क्या कहना चाहते हैं, irrespective of the child, the husband, the friend, or anyone else. Another important thing that we need to know when we are developing our listening skills is do not impose solution during the conversation. So when the person has come to talk something, for example, our child has come and is telling something to us about the friend, the problem that has happened, or about the girlfriend or the boyfriend, husband is coming and talking about the business opportunities or the boss. बात सुनते सुनते a human tendency is to impose advices. तो क्या होता है कि वो पूरा कॉन्वर्सेशन खत्म नहीं होता. We don't allow that person to complete. And we start giving out suggestions, we start giving out advices to that person, and we start interrupting that person. That person is not looking for advice. Number 1 rule of listening is to listen to the fullest. पूरा complete सुनो उसकी बात को, register करो, and then after the conversation is over, then you can open up for discussion. And when I talk about discussion, does not mean that we straight away give solutions or we straight away give advices, because kisi ko bhi, when you are in problem specifically, you know, you have your own idea to figure out the situation. Now we don't want suggestions or solutions or advices to come in. We just want samne wala person to listen to us. So give that kind of an ear to that person. Now ask, if you want to give any advice, ask the person first that are you looking for some advice or are you venting out. That's very important, because otherwise क्या होता है कि अरे यार मैं तो इसको अपनी कथा सुनाने आया, ये उल्टा मुझको ही सलाह सूचन देने लग गया. So that should not be an attitude. Now then is ask questions. If you want to ask during the conversation, अगर आपको कोई questions पूछने हैं तो ऐसे questions पूछिए जो ऐसा लगे कि you are trying to understand what that person is trying to say, that you are understanding the right thing. You don't question to interrogate. You don't question to doubt. You don't question to, you know, go beyond what that person wants to say. आप questions उतने ही पूछे कि सामने वाला समझ सके, हम समझ सके कि what the opposite person is trying to tell us. Try to feel. When you make the eye contact, you know, when the person is talking to you, when you make that eye contact and when you listen to the words and the kind of talk that person is delivering to you, you will have that connect with that person and you will start understanding the depth of the problem. So it's very important to listen in any conversation, in any relation. When I say ki communication, the biggest communication skill is to understand how to listen. If you are able to learn how to listen, I think half of the problems are solved in this earth, on this earth. Because zyadatar everyone wants to speak. No one wants to take out time to listen. And everyone wants to get heard. सो हमेशा आदमी ऐसे आदमी को ढूंढता है या बच्चा ऐसे पेरेंट्स को ढूंढते हैं कि जो उनकी बात सुने. Most of the time when children come to us and when they want to talk, what is our attitude? Including me, I will rate myself first in this. So if my daughter comes and tells me, and if I am in the midst of something, what I will do is, I'm having my mobile, I'm doing some important work. I'm not saying that all the time we are not doing important work. She's coming in, she's telling something. For her, any small incident is the end of the world. So she's coming in, she's telling me, and I'm like, okay, just 2 minutes. Oh, no, that's okay. You can do it. I mean, I am not giving that eye contact, that importance to the child. Now this child understands this is the way of communication. So when the child grows up, I have a teenager. So when we go to them, even they do something and they will reply, yeah, okay, theek hai. And that time we stand and we tell them that, beta, can you look at me and then answer? I think that question goes back to me, that have I done that when he was young? I think we need to practice that very often. So if we give time, only then we can expect the opposite person to give us little time. If we give that eye contact, if we give them a year to listen with patience, I think the battle is won. So it is very important to give undivided attention. And yes, not all the time that children have problem, and when they come to us and we will leave everything, and we can understand the importance when to give attention. But most of the time that attention is not given to children, to husbands, or to friends, to families. So I would say the most significant, the most important communication skill, if you're looking to develop or you are trying to bond any relationship, I think listening skills are very, very important. And whenever I mention these listening skills, I will always divert that finger to myself, to your own self. And if you're able to, take victory over it, believe me, conversations itne अच्छे हो जाएंगे, and people, die to reach out to those people who are good listeners. So this is a wonderful quality to adapt, but difficult to maintain, because you cannot, it's not an overnight joke, कि okay, आज से मैं decide कर लूंगी कि I'm going to listen carefully. It's a very difficult quality to develop, but yes, with practice you will develop. So the basic foundation of any relationship is giving a good ear, listening with patience, with eye contact, not judging that person, not giving that person any kind of solution at that particular time, and understanding that person to the extent that the person feels satisfied that okay, मैंने जो बोलना था अब बोल दिया, अब तू बोल के क्या करना है. So for any relationship, this is very, very, very important. So try out this listening skills. Before implementing these listening skills into your children, it is very important to yourself practice this, because only then you will understand. बच्चे सुनते नहीं हैं, हस्बैंड सुनते नहीं है, घर में कोई सुनता नहीं है, सुनना कितना डिफिकल्ट है. अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तभी आप समझ पाओगे कि हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज टू लिसन टू समवन. सो हैप्पी लिसनिंग, एंड टुमारो आई विल कम बैक विथ अ न्यू लेटर. So I want, अगर आपको कहीं भी कोई भी चीज़ अच्छी लगी हो during this entire conversation, I would like you all to write down, so that it kinds of gives me a momentum that okay, and I can gauge the sense of audience, so that when I deliver my next topic, I can keep these things in mind that okay, this kind of audience I am catering to. So love you everyone, and listen as much as you can, and try to give a ear to everyone at least once a day. For one relation, that is more than enough. So take out that time and stay connected, and I will be back tomorrow with letter M. So you can decide and write on my comment section box कि letter M का कल interpretation क्या होने वाला है, letter M क्या बोलने वाला है. So let me see if your letter M matches with my letter M. So thank you so much for being with me. And again, I would request all my listeners, 3rd May को लॉकडाउन अनाउंस ओपन होगा कि नहीं होगा, आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट जब भी अनाउंस हो, प्लीज make sure that you take baby steps when you go out of the house, because I have started hearing many people, going out and bringing gathiyas, going out and bringing jalebis, going out and bringing chole bhatures. We are I know that we've lost on that. हमको बाहर का खाने का बहुत मन कर रहा है, and we are tempted too much, but let's not take one chance to get corona inside. I'm not scaring y'all, but I can understand completely, because I also was telling my husband last night that कितने दिन हो गए हमने बाहर का कुछ नहीं खाया. Those temptations are with everyone, but let's control it for some time, because we don't know where we are going, from where that person has come, he has met whom, and has he maintained the hygienic parameters or no. We don't know. We completely don't know, and we don't want to make one small mistake to make our family suffer. So I know that we all are very, very, excited ki jaldi bahar jaye, but we have to control on that. We have to keep a big control on that, because this battle is, I don't think it is even halfway there. So it is a long time to go. So friends, please, please be patient and do not rush. Thank you so much and love you. Bye-bye.